Hello, everybody. And now we have I just made a countdown timer. As you can see, it's got 3 buttons. It's one for the minutes, second, and stop and go. And there is a buzzer to make a bit of sound. All the buttons are connected to the pin on one side and grounded on the other side. The buzzer is the same. Everything is pretty simple. Let's see how it works. So now we put 1 minute, 1 second, we start. You can put 10, 20, whatever minutes. You can also create a reset button. I usually, if I want to reset it, I use the Arduino Nano button. Let's get it through. I think what it does, when it gets to 0, it'll start to beep. And yeah, it'll show you it goes to 0, stops, and then you can reset it. Okay, getting closed. And that's 0 again. So you can reset it. You can put, 3 minutes. Ten seconds, start. Thank you very much, everybody. Have a great day.